Hello and welcome to the new style Edexcel GCSEs. These are the ones that go from grades 9 through to 1. This is the third paper in the foundation tier entitled 1MA1/3F. It is a calculator paper and we're picking up in question 7. Here is a number machine. We've got the input, we're multiplying the input by 3, we're subtracting 4 from whatever we got, and then we're giving the output. Work out the output when the input is 4. Okay, so that's just 4 times 3. Actually, I'll write it down. So the input is 4, and we're timesing by 3, which is equal to 12. And then we're subtracting 4 from the 12, and that's equal to 8. So there's our answer. Work out the input when the output is 11. So we're now working backwards. So we're starting with 11. So we had to subtract 4 from something to get 11. So the way to do that is just simply to add 4 to 11. So 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. And then we had to take our input and multiply by 3 in order to get 15. So what number, when multiplied by 3, gives us 15? Well, the answer to that is just 15 divided by 3. So we take our 15 and we divide it by 3. Again, if you don't know, you can use a calculator. That answer is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So we'll just double check. We start off with 5. We multiply by 3, that gives us our 15. We subtract 4, and that gives us our 11. So the answer they're looking for is 5. Show that there is a value for the input for which the input and the output have the same value. So we want the input to be the same as the output. So we've got to start off with a number, times it by 3, subtract 4, and come out with the same number that we started with. So the first thing to do is to assume that there is such a number, that such a number exists. Let's call it x. And let's shove x through this machine. So x goes in, so we multiply by 3. 3 times x is 3x. And then we subtract 4 from the 3x, so that's 3x minus 4. And that gives us our output, which we have to make sure is the same as the input. Well, the input was x, so the answer is x. So we've got 3x minus 4 is equal to x, and if there is such a value for x, then we've shown that there is a value for the input for which the output will have the same value as the input. So all we do is a little bit of algebraic manipulation. If we subtract x from both sides and add 4 to both sides, that 4 is going to disappear here and turn up here as a positive 4, and that x is going to disappear here and turn up here as a negative 4. So that's 3x minus x is equal to 4. So all we've done is move that 4 over here and it changed sign to positive. We've moved that x over here and it's changed sign to negative. So we can combine like terms. If you've got 3 x's and you take away an x, you end up with 2 x's. So that's 2x is equal to 4. So if 2 times a number is equal to 4, then that number has to be 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to 4 divided by 2. And since we know that 2 times 2 equals 4, the answer is x equals 2. And we have now shown that there is a number that will go into the input and come out the same. But let's check. 2 goes in, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, which is the same as the 2 we started with. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.